Hi parents, have you ever taught your children how to learn while teaching them what to learn? In this modern age, how can we help children deal with the challenge of engaging in diverse activities and constantly learning new things? Simple. Just teach children self-learning skills early on and let them know how easy it is to learn. Pakhopeasy is here to teach your little ones learning skills early on, making them independent and confident learners. Pakhopeasy introduces its first ever learning skills development programs for children aged 3 to 5, which are 7 and 8 weeks in duration. The Pakhopeasy program kits are a great tool for teaching your children 10 learning skills and introducing them to the academic learning model CAP-RT at your own pace using screen-free materials. The kits have been tested on children and have led to a 100% increase in their learning interest and confidence level. Gradually introduce the skills starting from week 1 to week 5. From week 6 onwards, have your child practice all 10 skills daily. Track the progress of your child only once every weekend. All learning skills will be practiced by your child using 4 tasks in the CAP-RT model throughout the program. Learn a concept, practice, revise once, take a test. A certificate of achievement will be awarded to your child on submission of a progress report. Acquiring these skills early on can help your child develop confidence as a self-learner, excelling not only in academics but also in learning new things independently. Try it yourself. Get your child a kit today. Visit our website or scan the QR code below to purchase the kit.